Man fatally shot during gun battle in Bog Walk identified. Man fatally stabbed at grave digging in St. Mary. Attacker on the run. The man who was shot and killed during the reported shootout that sent motorists and other members of the public scampering for cover in Bagward Gorge, St. Catherine on Wednesday has been identified. The deceased is 23-year-old Geraint Bent. Reports are that a policeman was also shot and injured during the reported gun battle. Information from the police is that officers responded to reports of a stolen vehicle. Police said the pursuit of the stolen vehicle started from St. Andrew. Other occupants of the illegal stolen vehicle escaped. More details to come following further investigations. A man remains on the run after fatally stabbing another during a dispute at a grave digging exercise in Tremolsworth in Highgate, St. Mary on Wednesday. The deceased is Damian Watkins, otherwise called Percy of Harmony Hall in Highgate. Reports are that shortly after 4 p.m., Watkins was among persons at the grave digging at a cemetery in the community when he had an argument with another man. A knife was brought into play and Watkins was stabbed multiple times before collapsing to the ground. The alleged attacker then fled the scene. Watkins was transported to hospital where he was pronounced dead. The Highgate police are probing the development.